have heard a lot of persons say, I am not skilled at anything. I don't have any talent. So what do I monetize? How do I make money? My dear, there is something in you that you've not discovered. There are a lot of knowledge in you. You have a wealth of knowledge, okay, that you can make money from. In the course of this video, I am going to help you bring out that knowledge in you, okay, that skill in you, and then you can be able to monetize it and make money out of it. If this sounds great to you, do not hesitate to click on the like button before I proceed. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of bumping into my channel, it's me, Jeffego Okoriko, popularly known as First Key. In this channel, I share valuable content around meaning importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this sounds great to you, join this wonderful family by subscribing and then turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know I love you. That's why I bring wonderful videos just for you. Now, over to today's video. How do you make money? How can you make money from the wealth of knowledge that you have? So let's go. Number one, monetize your profession. You've been in school, you've graduated, a particular profession, yeah, a lawyer, a doctor, a nurse, whichever professional you've become, all right? Sell it out, monetize it. And how can you do that? Now, let's discuss. First, for example, you are a lawyer. There are some legal things that you know about. Others don't know about it. Write it, sell it out, monetize it, and make money out of it. Or perhaps are you a doctor? There are things that will help people's health. There are things they should do. There are things they should not do. Or there are things that somebody can do to conceive. Or there are things, just drop it down, sell it out, monetize your profession and make money out of it. Okay? Then number two, monetize your experience. In life, here, we've experienced different things. For example, maybe there is a particular skincare product you bought. It looks good on your skin. Sell it out. Tell people about it. Look at my skin. Look at the way I'm glowing. This is the product I used. Tell people about it. Or maybe there is a particular habit you're trying to stop. For example, it could be alcoholism. It could be alcohol. All right? Tell people how you manage to stop it. People want to know. People want to try and stop some habits. If you know about it, monetize it, sell it out to people, and people will buy. All right? If you're getting value from this video, let me know in the comment section. Click on the like button, share, comment, okay, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Number three, another thing you can do for you to make money from this your wealth of knowledge that you've not discovered, okay, it's you monetize your skill. Yes, you can say that you don't have a skill. You can go learn a skill online. Yes, a digital skill. I've already filmed a video on digital skills you can learn, a short-term one. Okay, and when you learn for a short term, you can be able to monetize it. You sell it out to people. If you're skilled in baking, or perhaps tying of igele, or marketing, affiliate marketing, or maybe video editing, makeup, copywriting, whichever skill you have, sell it out to people. Monetize it, and you make money out of it. Just monetize any skill that you have. All right. Then fourthly, another thing you can do, you can monetize your business strategy. There are some businesses that just keep going well. Okay, they're just successful. You might be like, I'm doing this particular thing. This other person is doing this, but she's successful. She's sharing testimonials here and there. How is she doing it? You can come in, monetize your business strategies. People want to learn, okay? So people will meet you, and then you tell them how you are able to succeed in your business. All right, so monetize these things. These are ways in which you can monetize your wealth of knowledge. I hope you got value from this video. Please do not hesitate to click on the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to join this wonderful family for more beautiful videos. Okay, and if you think that there are other things you want me to film about, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Okay, I'm here for you. I'll consider it and then make a video on that just for you. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.